Let us produce some electricity at our own plant and see what goes into producing electrical energy. We have set up a pressure cooker filled with water on a heater. A steam pipe is connected to the top of the cooker where the pressure accumulated in the cooker passes out upon heating. A small turbine and dynamo are connected with a bulb in series and placed near the end of the steam pipe. Switch on the heater and observe. We can see that the turbine starts to rotate and the bulb glows. The steam acts on the blades and spins to impart energy to the rotor. Thus, we see that the rotor blade rotates with the speed which would turn the shaft of the dynamo and convert the mechanical energy into electrical energy. This is our small plant for generating electricity.